Hey guys, this is Billy. Well, on this video, I will be going at my log cabin again this winter. Woo! As you can see, there is a lot of snow. That's crazy and it's cold. Oh man, but that's a lot of fun in the woods. Oh, I forgot something very important. My shovel! Well, in the winter time you need snowshoes and a good shovel. All right. Alright, so now I'm just gonna get inside, start a fire, warm up the cabin, and after I will just clean up the roof, and yeah, and I will enjoy, well, the rest of today. Hey mice! I'm here! Alright. So, first of all, as you can see, there is a nest just there, which it's not good at all. Okay, hey little buggers. Okay, we'll see if there is some. Okay, hey, hold on guy, we'll see if there is some. Oh, there we go! Oh my god, I scared you guys. Well, I came here before and well, I saw a hole, so I put something just to make sure the entrance is blocked. So little nest here, nothing much, but that's the way it is. Oh man, the other day, you remember last year? All my blankets were just gone. So yeah, I will do a bit of cleanup, start a fire, and make some soup. I need some water for the soup, snow that will melt. Alright, stove is very warm, it's getting warm inside, I love it. And now it's time for cooking. Well guys, this is a good soup that I love, it's a pea soup. Well, very traditional here in Quebec, we love it. And you know what, back in the 18th century, like we're talking about in the 1700s, we just loved, here in Quebec, French Canadian, we love the pea soup, you know? So, pea soup, okay? I've got my peas and lard. Well, I love lard, so winter time, you know, and I love fat, so let's say 3 slices of good lard, and also I've got my vegetables. Very easy. I will put parsley on the side, it will be later on the soup. I've got onion, I've got carrots, I've got after that celery, and that's it. So, and I just mix them together. There we go. And well, I love it in the woods. I'll put it on the stove and it stay there for 4 to 5 hours, slow boiling, and I will add in it 6 cups of water. Water that I melt. All right. So that will be 6 cups. 1, 2, 3. I need a glove. It's warm, very warm. And I've got a bit here. which would be good. There we go. Put the whole thing in. Put it here. Cover the lid. Oh, and it would be good. So let's say 4 hours, and for supper I will have a very nice meal. Okay, now let's get work on the roof. Ah, I love it, but does it taste good? Oh, it was good. Oh, lard, man, that makes the big difference. Oh, I love lard. I put a lot of salt and pepper. It tastes pepper. This is very good, guys. Yeah, a little bit too much pepper. I was very generous on the pepper, but other than that, it's very good. I've got food. Woo! There we go. That's great. Honestly, there is moment in life where a man is just fully happy. Oh. Oh, it would give me a lot of energy. Oh, guys, I wish you were here, everyone. Oh, well, so this is it. That was Billy, which is me, at a log cabin. So this is it, guys. Hope you enjoy. Well, I did enjoy myself. Great scenery. See you next time for another video. Hey guys, live your passion, live the adventure as always.